Okay. Do you want to do high five? High five. Good girl.
No,
Do you want a sad stories?
Sad stories, Sad stories.
Oh, tell me more. Tell me more. Okay. Now let's do the lay down. 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 Boo. Boo. Head has to touch the floor. Boo. There you go.
I got it.
Now, let's do where's Estelle? You want Estelle to do it now? Okay, Estelle, you can run through her tricks now.
High five, high five, high five, high five.
Okay, give her a treat.
Boo, 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 boo.
Get her down first, hon. Don't push her down. Tell her to sit down.
Sit there.
She's looking for your food.
Sit down. Sit down.
Tell her now.
Sit down. Sit. 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 Good. Boo. Boo. Good.
Good girl.